Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Windows Explorer not working. First method is open File Explorer, click 3 dots, click Options. Change to this PC. Click Clear. Second method is click right-click Start button, click Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is click right Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is, type msconfig in Windows search bar, click msconfig. Select Boot tab, check Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Start button, click msconfig. Click Boot tab, uncheck Safe Boot. Fifth method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.